Are you bored of the same daily side dishes? Today I will show you a super quick and tasty Ivy Gourd fry that you can make it just minutes and it is tasty, absolutely amazing with rice. First take 250 grams of Ivy Gourd and cut it into thin long slices like this. Now place a pan on the stove and heat it. Once the pan is hot, add 2 to 3 spoons of cooking oil, 1 teaspoon of mustard seeds, 1 teaspoon chana dal, 1 teaspoon urad dal, half teaspoon jeera, 2 to 3 red chillies. Fry them. Add some curry leaves, pinch of turmeric powder. Let them splatter nicely. Now add the chopped ivy gourd and mix everything well. Add salt to taste. Add some water. Close the lid and let it cook until soft. Once the ivy gourd is cooked properly, open the lid and give it a mix. Now add half spoon of tamarind paste. 1 spoon homemade sambar powder. Two tablespoons of grated coconut. Mix everything well and cook for another minute. Now switch off the flame and transfer into a serving bowl. This simple ivy gourd fry tastes amazing with rice. Do try this recipe at home and enjoy. If you like this recipe, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel for more easy and tasty recipes. Thank you for watching.